Good afternoon. This is the weekly homework for my Math 6 classes. This is our homework that is due tomorrow, March 13th. And it is actually only for period 4, since period 5, congratulations, you earned your week off of homework because of your expected behavior points. So congratulations. If you're watching, you know your homework's coming back up next week. We've been starting our new unit on adding and subtracting and multiplying decimals. Your homework this week is front and back. And we did have a few suggestions in the shoebox. The one that I pulled said question number 6. I think that's supposed to mean page 2, but this is definitely question number 6. And this is the lesson that we started today. So use what you know about decimals or fractions to explain why 2/10 times 2/1000 is 4/10,000. So one way that might be able to help you see it is if we rewrite these as fractions. And we talked about that we could rewrite them as fractions to find our answer. 2/10 times 2/1000. And then we multiply our numerators and we multiply our denominators. 1,000 times 10 is 10,000. Because there are 4 zeros in our denominator, that means our place value is 4 digits behind the decimal. So 4/1000 or 10,000 as a fraction is the same thing as 4/10,000 as a decimal. Some people like to first multiply by 10 to make this 2, and multiply this by 1,000 to make this 2. And then we have 2 times 2, which is 4. But because I multiplied by 10,000, I need to now divide by 10,000. And of course, a division problem is also a fraction, so we still get our 4/10,000 that we could write as our decimal for 10,000. I hope that helps. We're going to have our classwork grade tomorrow on adding and subtracting and multiplying decimals. I gave you that little sneak preview today in class. And your work today in class, by the way, was remarkable. I don't know if I got to say that in class, but I was especially impressed. I could tell some of you were a little warm and not feeling well, and you just kept at it. You just do not give up, and that's what makes you great students. All right, I will see you tomorrow for our early Pi Day celebration. And don't get your hopes up too much, but it's a little bit of something that I have for you. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.